Hello friends, welcome back to Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll discuss about another coding questions to calculate the time complexity. Okay, so here is a function. Suppose the name of the function is calculate, and inside this function there is a for loop. So if there is a for loop and it starts from I equals to 1, here suppose another variable m is less than equals to n and I plus plus. So m is another variable, and here the initial m value is equals to 0. So inside this for loop there's a statement like m equals to m plus I. So this is the statement. So now for this program, what will be the time complexity? So this seems to be complex, but this is not a complex. This is very easy to calculate the time complexity. Only the condition is changed here. That is m less than equals to n. This condition is changed and I starts from 1 and I increased by 1 every time. Okay, this is okay. But this condition is changed. So let's take an example here. So here I starts from 1. So let's take I here, and here we'll calculate this value of m. Okay, so here m. So I starts from 1. So here for I equals to 1, what will be the value of m? M will be m plus I. So initial m value was 0. So 0 plus I equals to 1. So 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So here will be 0 plus 1, which is 1. Next I will be increased by 1, that is 2. So for I equals to 2, m will be m plus I, that is 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, which is 3. Okay, so next time I will be 3 and m will be m plus I. So m is 3, this 3, and I is this 3, that is 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3, which is 6. Okay, next time I will be increase and I will be 4 here, and m will be m plus I. So m, our previous m was 6 and I is 4. So m plus I, that is this 6 plus this 4. So 6 plus 4, which is 10. Okay, so similarly I will be increased by 1, that is 5, and here will be 10 plus 5, which is 15. Okay, and finally I will be some values. Suppose I is s. So for I equals to s is some random value. So for I equals to s, so if you see here, for I equals to 1, m equals to m plus I, that is 1. So 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Here this 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So 1 plus 2. So here this 1 comes from this 0 plus 1. So here you can write 0 plus 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3. So next we have calculate this 3 plus this 3 is equals to 6, and this 3 is equals to 0 plus 1 plus 2. So instead of this 3 we can write 0 plus 1 plus 2, which is 3. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6, and here 6 plus 4 equals to 10. So this 6 plus this 4 equals to 10, and this 6 is come from this 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So instead of this 6 we can write here this 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so next 10 plus 5. So 10 means this 10 and this 5. So this 10 come from this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's copy it. And instead of this 10, write here 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And this 5 is equals to 15. So similarly, so if I equals to 5, it goes to from 0 to 5. So if I equals to s may be m or n, any a random value. Okay, so for I equals to s, it will go from this 0 1 2 3 4 and then s. If you see here, if you remove this, and you can see here 1 plus 2 plus 3 and then plus s, which is nothing but the sum of the natural numbers. And you know the formula of the sum of the natural numbers. So sum of the natural numbers is equals to s into s plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the formula of the sum of the natural numbers, and here our condition was m less than equals to n. So when m will be greater than n, then this for loop will terminate. Okay, so the value of m is this, s into s plus 1 divided by 2. So if m greater than n, then this for loop will terminate, and then we'll get how many times this for loop iterate. So here we have calculated how many times this statement execute. Okay, s into s plus 1 divided by 2, and which is greater than n. Now if you see, this is nothing but a square plus s divided by 2, and which is greater, a square or s? A square is greater, and we'll ignore this 1 by 2. Okay, so a square is greater, so s square is greater than this n. Okay, now what is the value of s? So s is equals to square root of n. So s is greater than square root of n. Okay, so this will be the time complexity of our program. So finally, the time complexity of this program is equals to order of square root of n. Okay, so this is the time complexity of this program. Okay, hope you understand this, and I have tried to explain it in a very simple way. So if you have any questions or queries, then please comment below, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and in your WhatsApp group also, so that others can get some help from this video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.